All right, here we go. Here we go. Crab trap, kayak, stuff. Oh, crab gauge. Got fishing pole. Got Die Hard fishing. You. I got ish with fish. Ish with fish.
Long time no see.
Ish with crabs today. Oh. All right, welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. I'm Taku, and today I'm with Adam from Die Hard Fishing and Ish with Fish. And we're going out for some crabs today, dropping some crab pots. Been waiting for a long time to catch some crabs, some Dungeness crab. Let's get it. Ooh. Ooh. It's kind of scary. Alright, we're gonna drop one pot here. We're about a quarter mile out of the harbor. But the swells are too big. We want to go further, but a little too big, a little too dangerous to go further out. I'm gonna drop one here and head back into the harbor. I got some chicken thighs and some fish carcass in here for bait. First pot going down. Let's see how deep this is. That's it. We'll let that soak for about an hour. Whoa, the swells are kind of big. 6 to 7 foot swells. And we're out on this kayak. A little crazy. So while I wait, I'm just doing a little fishing right next to the jetty where it's calm and safe, just to kill some time. It's been about an hour, so now I'm gonna pull up my crab trap. One raw crab. Release that one. Female raw crab. We're after the Dungeness today. Alright, I'm just gonna drop back down right here. Alright, there it goes. At this point, we actually headed back onto land and we went to get a quick bite to eat while our crab pots marinated in the ocean. Missed it. Turn around. So that ended up being about a 2.5 hour soak for the crab pots, and this happened. Oh my god, no freaking way. My GoPro froze. My GoPro froze when I was pulling up that last pot, and I didn't realize it. Now you guys are gonna think I cheated, but I swear I did not cheat. I brought this pot up. So I was saying, I don't know if they got any of this. I was saying that I'm only gonna do one more pull, only my second one, because it's getting a bit windy out here and it's getting a little rough. So I'm just gonna pull it one more time and see what happens. If we get a crab, great. If we don't, always next time. Anyways, I pulled out that trap and look what was inside. Bam! 2 male Dungeness crab. Check these out. This is a smaller one, about 6 1/4, almost 6 1/4. And I have this one. This guy here is about 6 1/2, little over 6 1/2 inches there. Another male Dungeness. And I swear these other guys didn't give it to me. The damn GoPro froze. Yeah, my GoPro keeps doing this. Anyways, but this is gonna be delicious. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so glad I got this. I know it's only 2 crabs, but I'm so happy about it. I mean, I wish you could have seen my original reaction, because it was much better than this. Now I've calmed down a little bit, and now that I realized that my GoPro froze. We got the keeper Dungeness, guys. We got the keepers. We did it. We freaking did it. Thanks to these guys, Die Hard Fishing and Ish with Fish. Oh yeah. Man, I wasn't even gonna come out here today. I was like, last night I was borderline like about to cancel. I was like, no, I'm not gonna go out there, it's too rough. But glad I came out because it was doable. Yeah, it was a little rough, but it was doable and we got it done. So now, yeah, happy about that. Well, we're gonna head back in and we are going to, I'm gonna go cook these. We're gonna take this back to Jocelyn so she can have some too. But anyways, I'll see you back over there. Shut it. Can you be quiet for a second? All right, we'll see you guys back at the cooking spot. All right, it's time to get cooking. So I already cleaned out both crabs and I left the crab butter inside one of the shells of the crab. So I kind of scraped it out with chopsticks and then put it in here, wrapped it with the saran wrap. It's recommended by the California Department of Public Health that you do not eat the crab butter. So normally I would discard it, but today I'm gonna eat some of it because it's gonna be delicious. I'm just gonna go ahead and steam this up right in this pot here. I just have about half an inch of water, half an inch of salt water in here, and I'm just gonna bring this up to a boil and throw these in and they'll get steaming. So I wrap this in plastic so the condensation in the pot doesn't drip inside of it. So that's the only reason I wrapped it. All right, steaming nicely here, so we're gonna toss it in. And I'm gonna place that right on top. All right, so just like that, we're gonna cover it up and we're gonna steam this for 15 minutes. So I prefer steaming my crabs because one, it's much faster to bring this much water to a boil than bringing the whole pot of water to a boil. That takes forever. So that's one of the reasons it's much quicker, right? And also steam is much hotter. Steam is hotter than water. Water can only get up to 100 degrees Celsius. And so steam is much more effective in cooking it. All right, should be done now. Go ahead. Smells good. Looks delicious and smells amazing. I'm gonna just let this cool down a little, put it off the side, and I'll just get my rice started. All right, I got some rice in here, so now let's cook this too. While the rice is cooking, I'm gonna peel the crab. Gotta get to it. All right, I'm gonna take all the legs off first. Ooh. Should I do a little taste test? That's so good. No more eating the crab until it's finished, all right? I promise. No more. Just that first bite. You want a bite?
That's okay, I'll wait.
Oh, somebody's got self-control. Oh, I want to take a bite of that so bad. I shouldn't have said that. I got these little scissors here to help me take them out nicely. Beautiful piece of meat. We're gonna have a lot of these. The best tool for the job, its own claw. All right, we're almost done with this. I'm just using his strong claw to get that out. Oh, look how perfectly it works. Oh. Here we go. We have all the crab meat out of 2 crabs. Look how much meat there is. This thing is full, completely full. And look at all these beautiful pieces. Look at the claws. These are the claws. Oh yeah. Delicious pieces of Dungeness crab. And if we just put this over rice, that'll be good. But I want to make this epic. So right now I'm gonna make a little garlic butter. Actually, no, not garlic butter. Garlic miso butter. And we're gonna pour that on top. Ooh, that's gonna be good. All right, let's do this. Chunk of butter. We'll get that melted here. I just have it on low heat. Carefully just letting it melt. I don't want it to burn. I just want it to melt. That's why I'm just putting it on the edge. All right, there goes the garlic. All right, we're gonna leave that on low heat. This is called Saikyo miso, and this is a type of miso. Like you know what miso is, right? But this miso in particular, it's a bit sweeter, and it's really good to make sauces with. All right, sauces and marinades. I just want to infuse that garlic flavor inside the butter. Just a touch of water. I want to make it a little bit more of a saucy consistency than this paste. I'm going to slowly add the butter in. And some of the garlic pieces are going in there, that's fine. All right, that's all the butter. And that's the consistency I want right there. That's pretty good. Remember the crab butter? You want any of this or no?
It's all right.
All right, just for me. The smaller one had a much more orange butter, more bright. The bigger one had a little darker. So it's mostly the small one. This is gonna be too rich. All right, I'm just gonna spread it on the rice like that. All right, now I'm gonna top it with the crab. On the outside, it's gonna be the broken stuff. Well, there it is, guys. Look at that. This bowl of rice topped full with Dungeness crab. This is gonna be so good. This is so much crab. It's literally one crab in each bowl. Drizzle some sauce right on here. This is that garlic miso butter. Last touch, lemon juice. Yeah. Bam. Ooh, this is gonna be good. There it is, everybody. There's my first Dungeness catch and cook this season. All right. Yeah. How's it look?
Beautiful.
It's gonna be so good. What do you guys think about this? Here we go. Oh wow.
That miso butter.
Miso butter.
Yeah.
Good, huh?
Even the lemon like helps. I would use more sauce in mine. It's really good.
Crab is a lot of work to get the meat out.
Yeah.
But you know what? It's worth it. It's so worth it.
It's so satisfying just to have all the crab meat out.
Yeah.
You know, we don't have to like peel each little teeny bit and eat it.
This might be one of the most delicious bowls of rice.
You don't even need the rice.
Yeah, you don't even need the rice.
Should just caught 2 more and just whole bowl of crab.
Every bite is just full of crab and so amazing.
Your miso butter is really good.
Thank you. It is really good. I figured it's gonna be good. Garlic, butter, and miso. Easy, delicious.
This is the most satisfying bowl of crab.
Yeah, for sure. That's definitely true. When you normally eat crab, you want to just break it and then eat a little bit, break more, pick it out. But no, when you do all the work ahead, you're left with this amazing satisfaction of just mouthful after mouthful. That was delicious. Wow, we're all done. You can eat another bowl? Another whole crab.
Yeah, no rice next time. Just crab.
Oh my gosh. Well, that was amazing. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you liked the video, you know what to do. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, because this delicious meal is definitely worth that thumbs up. And subscribe if you want to see more. See you guys next time. Peace.